Tray dryer is used for the best drying results in the conventional process. It is a double-walled cabinet with single or two doors. The gap between the two walls is filled with high-density fiberglass wool insulation material to avoid heat transfer. Doors are provided with gaskets. Aluminum trays are placed on the fixed racks. Tray dryer is provided with control panel board, process timer, digital temperature controller cum indicator, etc. Tray dryer is available in capacities ranging from 10, 12, 15, 20, 25, 50, 100, to 100 trays. Applications: tray dryers are ideally suitable for drying chilies, spices, cashew, garlic, plastic granule, potato chips, dry fruits, vegetables and fruits. There are three basic types of tray dryer cabinets: batch, semi-continuous, and cross-flow dryers. The material to be dried is placed on the trays. You must have to use an SS tray for any food items. The heat in the dryer is produced by the heater along the side or at the base. We have a special panel system. If you set the 110-degree temperature for the 60 minutes program, and if the 110-degree temperature reaches in just 30 minutes, then the heater will turn off but the motor fan will continue spinning. And if the temperature reaches below 105-degree temperature, then the heater will automatically start to maintain the 110-degree temperature. And this process will continue for 60 minutes.